Understand the task requirements and the arrangement of information. Before starting the listening test, carefully read the instructions. You need to match the list of questions, usually marked by numbers, with the list of answer choices, usually marked by letters. Make sure to check if an answer choice can be used more than once to avoid confusion during the test. Start with distinctive keywords. Identify important keywords in the questions and the answer list. These keywords, like proper names, numbers, technical terms, or geographical features, are less likely to be paraphrased and will help you focus on key information when the speaker mentions them. Map out the logic for each option. Before the recording begins, try to summarize or predict the main idea associated with each option. For example, if an option is a person's name, consider what action, opinion, or characteristic might be linked to that person. Although it's just a guess, this mental preparation helps you compare and confirm when you actually listen. Pay attention to the order of information. In IELTS listening, information relevant to the questions usually follows the same order as the questions themselves. Keep track of the sequence to avoid losing your place. If you've identified the answer to one question, you can anticipate when the next relevant detail will appear. Develop the skill of recognizing synonyms and bridging information. The speaker may not use the exact wording found in the answer choices. They often employ synonyms or alternative expressions. For instance, offers free admission in the answer list might be said as, you don't have to pay to get in the recording. Train yourself to catch these equivalent phrases. Listen for transitional signals, emphasis, and contrasts. Speakers often move from one option to another with phrases like, now, let's talk about, moving on to, or another aspect is. Recognize these signals to know when they've switched to information that may match a different answer choice. Words like however or on the other hand indicate contrast and may change the meaning you were expecting. Take brief notes of tentative answers while listening. As you listen, jot down any details that seem to correspond to particular answer choices. Mark these potential matches quickly, e.g. A, B, C, as you go. After the recording, review these notes to confirm the correct choices. This strategy is helpful when you're uncertain during the listening process. Accept complexity and be patient in finding the crucial points. Sometimes the answer isn't stated clearly or may be spread across several sentences. Be patient and piece together different attributes or details mentioned by the speaker. Compare these with your answer choices to find the one that fits best. Use a process of reasonable elimination. When multiple options appear similar, eliminate those that clearly don't match the information you heard. Narrowing down the possibilities makes it easier to select the correct answer, especially if you feel uncertain. Don't rush to finalize your answer before hearing all details. Sometimes the speaker initially suggests one idea, but then corrects or adds more details. For example, at first we thought it would be free, but actually there's a small charge. Wait until you've heard the complete information about that point before deciding on an answer.